Hey Chris, so I was going to show you how to import your capture page into Optimize Press and how you can basically edit the elements on that capture page too, because for example you might just switch out the headline if you notice any saturation or anything like that, so I'll show you how to do that as well. So right now I'm just currently in my website, logged into the WordPress dashboard. So I'm assuming that you've got Optimize Press or the Optimize Press either theme or plugin installed on whatever domain that you're wanting to install or to host these capture pages on. So if you run into trouble with that, just let me know. But I'm assuming that you have them installed, have Optimize Press installed. So what you do is you just click on Optimize Press on the left hand side here, just in the menu, and then hover over, click on Create New Page, and just scroll down a little bit, and you'll see where it says upload a content template in a zip format. So that's exactly what the format they are as far as when they're exported. So you click on Browse, and I've got it in here, and we'll go with this one to start with. So you just browse to whatever folder, select the template, click choose, then click on install, when it's done you'll see this message here, and if you just scroll down the templates you'll find it here. You can see that I've done it once before, so we'll go for this one. So just type in a name that you're wanting to name the capture page. So, or for the actual page, I might put Chris. Right, and I might just yeah, I'll leave it at that. Check availability. That's good. Create page. Take a few moments to load. Right, and there it is. So, for example, like I said before, I mentioned before, like you might want to go in and say if you have a stroke of genius and you've got a capture page headline in mind and you're wanting to quickly switch it out. So how you edit the pages are, you click on this icon here and it will take you to what's called the live editor screen, which displays in like an editorial form all the elements on the page. So what you can do is you can just click on, you can see how that's highlighted, and you can just click on this little icon here and just switch out whatever words or copy that you want to put in there. And when you're done, you just scroll down and update it, but I won't update it. Right, so that's pretty much that. Let's close out of that. The only thing that you may want to do as well, okay, you also need to make sure, if you glance over to the left hand side where it says draft, that needs to be set to publish, and click save and continue. And the one other thing that you might want to have a look at is in fact the opt-in form code, just to make sure that everything's fine there as well. So generally when you come back into the page template, it will be displaying like this as well. So if you click on add template, or add element, sorry, it will pop you back into the content live editor, as you can see. So if you scroll down a bit, and again just click on this icon to make sure that the opt-in field or element is highlighted, and then click on this icon here, and just give it a few seconds to load. Right, okay. So for all of your custom pages that I send through to you, they will need to be in custom form. So for example, like every one of your clients, you need to grab their code from either Aweber or GetResponse or whatever their autoresponder is. So grab their form code, and you can paste it in here. And so it's a good idea just to check to make sure it is in fact the right code. If you're unsure, it's just best to switch it out and paste in once again, just to make sure. But the essential things is to look out for is make sure it displays like this. Like sometimes it doesn't. So it's got to display email, post, and then it's normally got like this sort of code down the bottom here, depending on which autoresponder. So once you're happy with that, you can click on insert, which is basically a way of saving it, and just update. And click on save and continue. And that's basically it.